came back to this Khao Sō-i place that I ate at last year. This is in the Silom area. And last time I got chicken. This time I am trying this beef liver set. So it's about $12. Let's check it out. Thank you. Alright. Beef Khao Sō-i. Look at that. We got some spices. I like to spice it up. Some lime in there. Some sour notes. There's some coconut milk. Little fried noodles. And then we got onions. And pickled something or other. And then these are like spring onions. Excellent. And mix all that together. And this is the large bowl. Mix that chili in there. We'll get one big bite of chili. This meat looks coated. Oh yeah. That's good. Let's see. A piece of beef. That is divine. And the big old chunks of beef here too. Fall apart in the mouth. Like pot roast that's been cooked all night long. I missed eating Khao Sō-i almost every day up in Chiang Mai. That's where this dish is from. Here there's only, in Bangkok, only 2 places serve it. It's not as common. But this place is really good. Khao Sō-i. Probably one of my favorite Thai foods. It's not my favorite. Spices kind of get up your nose. I'd say this Khao Sō-i is better than that place that I was going right by the Beachy Green Hotel. Yeah. My side. This might be better. We really got the music pumping in here. I'll probably have to remove it to avoid getting copyright. Very delicious. Alright, well that's all I got for Khao Sō-i. Very delicious. I would recommend the beef. I recommend the beef even over the more traditional chicken. So, hope you enjoyed this video. And drop a thumbs up if you did. And that's all I got for now. So talk to you later. Take it easy.